Hello, I'm Tasha and welcome to QUB Conservation, your lockdown lowdown on new ecology research. In this series, we challenged biologists at Queen's to tell us about exciting new research in just a few minutes. Welcome to today's episode. We're going to be speaking to Hannah about her research in the cloud forests of Honduras.
My name's Hannah Hoskins. I recently finished my PhD at Queen's.
Can you tell me where your field site is and why that's important for large mammals?
My field site is in a cloud forest in Honduras, in the northwest of Honduras. It's called Kinkajou National Park. Cloud forests are full of many endemic species. Endemic species is a species of animal that isn't found outside of like a restricted geographic range. Because there's often deforestation around the edge of them as well, they kind of become more and more isolated and become more similar to islands.
Why are large mammals so important for monitoring?
Mammals provide a lot of different functions within the ecosystem. So, for example, tapirs, they're the largest mammal by weight found in the neotropics, and they're really important because a large part of their diet is fruit, and when they eat the fruit, then they poop has seeds in it, and so this means that they're sort of important for dispersing various seeds throughout the forest, which is really important for regeneration of lost forest. So this is a coati. Coatis are mainly insectivores, go around mainly in groups. So quite often on a video you will see several coatis with their young.
With your camera track data, how do you then use that data?
So we can use this data to create distribution maps that show us where there are certain areas in the park where you're perhaps either more likely or less likely to find certain species. So what's really good about the long-term data sets is that it means that when you go to, for example, government organisations who are sort of in charge of the upkeep of the park, it's a really useful tool in saying, like, there used to be more mammals here in the past and now there are fewer. We need you guys to help support these actions that will ensure protection of the park and also enable restoration as well.